Sairam children, welcome back after your internal assessments. I hope you all have done well in your assessments. So today is your English period, and in English we are going to study new voices. Children, many of you must be having pets at home, right? What are pets? Pets are the animals that you keep at your homes for your company. Understood? So, many of you must be having pets at home. Some of you must be having a dog. You all love dogs? Yes. And some of you must be having a cat at home. Yes. And some people have rabbits in their homes. You love rabbits? Yes. Isn't it cute? It has fur on its body. Yes? Yes. Now the most common pet that people keep in their homes are dogs. Children, do you know what dogs eat? What do they eat? They eat bone. They eat bones and meat. What is meat? Flesh of other animals is called meat. It is called meat. Dogs eat bone and meat. So, today we are going to learn a lesson. The name of the lesson is The Greedy Dog. Chapter number 5, The Greedy Dog. What do you mean by greedy? Wanting more of something. That is mean by greedy. Suppose I have a chocolate with me, but I want more chocolate. Okay, that is called greediness. We should not be greedy. We should be satisfied with what we have. So, let's learn the story. Okay, children? So, once a dog saw a piece of meat in a shop. He saw a piece of meat in a shop. He was very hungry. He took the meat from the shop and started running home. He stole the meat from the shop and he started running home. The shopkeeper ran after him, but he could not catch him. He could not catch the dog. On his way to home, there was a river. There was a river. The dog had to cross the river. There was a bridge over the river. Okay, children? When you have to cross the river, you have to use a bridge. When you have to cross one side of the river, when you have to go from one side of the river to another side of the river, you need a bridge. See, look at this picture. The dog is walking over the bridge. So, the dog had to cross the river and the bridge was very low. The bridge was very low. The dog saw his own reflection in the water. When the dog looked into the water, what did he see? He saw his own reflection. You know what is reflection? When you look yourself into the mirror, what do you see? You see your reflection in the mirror. So, like this. When you look yourself into the water, you see your own reflection. In the same way, When the dog saw into the water, looked into the water, he saw his own reflection. What did he think? He thought it to be another dog. He thought that it is another dog, and he also thought that the other dog is having a bigger piece of meat. The other dog is having a bigger piece of meat. The dog wanted that meat also. He wanted to eat that meat also. So what did he do? He barked at the dog, his own reflection. He barked at his own reflection because he wanted to get that piece of meat also. What happened next? When he barked at his reflection, what happened? His own piece of meat fell into the water. The piece of meat that he was having in his mouth, that piece also fell into the water, and the dog felt very sad. The dog felt very sad. What did he think? He thought that it is not good to be greedy. We should not be greedy. We should be satisfied with what we have. Okay, children, I hope you liked the story. You understood the story. Good. Now, let's start with the new words. Okay. Now, number 1, P-I-E-C-E, peace, peace. 2, M-E-A-T, meat, meat. H-U-N-G-R-Y, hungry, hungry. 4, M-O-U-T-H, mouth, mouth. Number 5, S-T-A-R-T-E-D, started, started. Number 6, S-H-O-P-K-E-E-P-E-R, shopkeeper, shopkeeper. 7, C-A-T-C-H, catch, catch. 8, C-R-O-S-S, cross, cross. Number 9, R-I-V-E-R, river, river. Number 10, B-R-I-D-G-E, bridge, bridge. Number 11, R-E-F-L-E-C-T-I-O-N, reflection, reflection. Number 12, T-H-O-U-G-H-T, thought, thought. Number 13, A-N-O-T-H-E-R, another, another. 14th, B-I-G-G-E-R, bigger, bigger. 15, B-A-R-K barked, barked. 16. fell, fell, fell. Number 17. understood, understood, understood. Number 18. greedy, greedy, greedy. That's all with the new words. Now children, let's start the reading of the chapter. Okay, I will read the chapter. You just have to listen first. Okay, chapter number 5, The Greedy Dog. One day, a dog saw a piece of meat in a shop. He was very hungry. He took it in his mouth and started running home. The shopkeeper ran after him but could not catch him. The dog had to cross a river. There was a bridge over the river. The bridge was low. As he looked into the water, he saw his reflection. He thought that there was another dog in the water. He thought the other dog's piece of meat looked bigger. He barked at the other dog. He thought he would get the bigger piece of meat for himself. When he opened his mouth and barked, his piece of meat fell into the river. The poor dog had to go home without any meat. He understood that it was not good to be greedy. Understood, children? What did you learn from this story? That we should not be greedy and we should be satisfied with whatever we have. Okay, children? Understood the story? I hope you liked the story. Sai Ram.